Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey Clashers, ever wished you could manage your village on a larger screen, right from your MacBook? Playing Clash of Clans on a computer offers so many advantages, from better visibility to more precise control. Good news, it's totally possible in 2025 and often easier than you think. Let's dive into how you can get your favorite mobile game running smoothly on your Mac. For a long time, the go-to solution for playing Android games on a computer was using an emulator. Programs like BlueStacks would create a virtual Android phone right on your Mac, allowing you to download and run Clash of Clans. While this method still works for many, especially if you have an older Intel-based MacBook, it can sometimes be a bit resource-intensive. Thankfully, there are now even better options available. Here's where things got really exciting for Mac users in recent years. If you have a newer MacBook, one with an M1, M2, or M3 Apple Silicon chip, you're in luck. These powerful processors can directly run many iOS and iPad OS applications, and yes, that includes Clash of Clans. This means you don't need a clunky emulator, allowing for much smoother and more integrated gaming experience. So, if you have an Apple Silicon Mac, getting Clash of Clans is incredibly straightforward. Simply open your Mac App Store, then use the search bar to look for Clash of Clans. Make sure you switch to the iPad and iPhone apps tab to find the mobile version. Once you locate it, just click the Get button, and your MacBook will download and install the game directly. It's truly that simple to start building your empire. To ensure the best experience, always keep your MacBook's operating system updated. Don't forget to link your Supercell ID once you launch the game, so all your progress and villages are instantly available on your Mac. Now you're all set to enjoy Clash of Clans with the comfort of your keyboard and mouse and the impressive visuals of your MacBook screen. Happy clashing on the big screen!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.